I have my kids with me here.
Hi. Hi.
What's your name?
Ludwig.
Lou. And they are going to unpack these caps we got for the wheels. Can you show the things we got? Nice. They don't know that much English, but they know a bit. So let's unpack them.
Yeah.
And as you can see, we don't have any caps from before, so that's why we ordered new ones, which are pretty cheap. I think they were like 20 euros or something. Can you show them? Nice. Okay, should we see if they fit? Lou, do you want to try it out? Is it hard?
Yeah.
Do you need help?
No.
No. I think you need to press a bit harder. Hårt. Oh. I can do it.
No.
If I do, let's do it together.
No.
Nice.
Nice, that's good.
Looks good, right? How old are you?
7.
7. And you?
9.
9. Okay, so the next one. Let's see if this goes well. Use both hands and press. It's a bit hard. You want help?
Yeah. Nice.
Thanks for the help. Can you say goodbye and see you next time?
Goodbye, see you next time.